that is full of what you like doing than a long life spent in a miserable way.
Hey, come on, yeah. I don't want the fame, cause I don't want a two-step with me, come on. Two-step with me, come on. You would tell me, actually 1, 2, 3, talk to me. Man, I come to this game, man, to change your brain. Man, I come to...
Welcome back to my channels. For today's video, we are doing another get ready with me. You know, lately I just been really, hold on y'all, my hands are ashy. Can't be having that. So lately I've been really enjoying doing these get ready with me's. I feel like y'all enjoy them too, incorporating hair and makeup. I'm pretty sure y'all got tired of me just doing makeup all the time. So we need to switch things up a little bit. So this get ready with me is actually on New Year's Eve. So this is gonna be my New Year's Eve look. I'm going to dinner. I'm not going out. Well, I'm going out, but I'm just going to dinner. So don't come for me. I didn't go out, okay? I'm going to dinner and then going home, but I want to look cute, okay? So for the hair, we're gonna do one of those 90s ponytails that you usually see that are kind of like flipped out, and we're going to do a nice little side bang. We're gonna do a bang to end the year. So my hair is freshly flat ironed, so it's not like how it was in my other get ready with me with the half up, half down ponytail. And y'all are probably like, girl, you about to ruin your hair for this ponytail? I sure am. I sure am. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by taking out the bang part. So I'm gonna do a side bang. So we're gonna part this to the side. Let's see how much I want. That should be good. That's good. We're band this off to the side. Put this piece in. I hope that's enough banging. So we're gonna start with the ponytail. So I'm just going to brush this all the way up to the top of my head. To the top of my head, to the soles of my feet, handy. And I kind of did this look last year. So we're gonna do a repeat because 2020 needs a redo. Okay. Well, no it doesn't. No it doesn't. No it doesn't. 2020 does not need a repeat. Okay. This time we're not using any clip-ins, but so we should be good to go. So now I'm going to take some of this Shine and Jam, and I'm just going to use this to kind of slick some of this hair back, and then I'm going to redo the ponytail. I just need to get it in its shape first before I really go in and brush this look. And I'm not going in with a lot because I don't want to like completely mess up my straight hair. So now I'm gonna go in with some Gots to Be Free spray. Now I'm gonna spray this in my hand, and I'm going to work this in to the ponytail just to get rid of the flyaways. Alright, so I'm gonna wait to do my bang last because I have to do my makeup, okay? So we're just gonna tuck this to the side, but I am going to flip this part of the ponytail. So I'm just going in with my Nume flat iron. I used this in my last video. This is my all-time favorite favorite flat iron. So if you don't have one, get you one, because you're gonna need it. Okay, so I have my bang off to the side, and I also left a little piece back here out so it doesn't get flipped, just so I can wrap it around the base of the ponytail after I do my makeup, because I realized that my hair is super long, so some of this hair is gonna have to go into the ponytail. So I can't do that with my hair flipped, because, or all of my hair flipped, because this piece back here has to wrap around the base of the ponytail to hide the elastic band. Now I think I'm gonna section this off into 3s. This is what it looks like at the bottom. I don't know if you'll be able to tell, for real. So I'm actually going to, as I get dressed, go to the old school rollers, and I'm going to roll my hair at the bottom. Alright, so we're gonna move on to the face. I already have my eyebrows on and my face primed and my eyes primed, so we're just gonna start the makeup part. I'm not gonna talk for this part because I don't feel like talking anymore. So we're just gonna go. So I'm first going in with the Kat Von D. This is their Lock It In Foundation Powder, and I'm using this as a transition shade. I believe this is in the color Deep 66. I'll leave all the products in the description box below. And I'm going in with my NYX fluffy blending brush, and I'm focusing this color right under the front of the eyebrow, kind of like where you would start the contour for the nose, because I want that part to be the darkest part of this look. The next palette I'm going in with is the Morphe Ring the Alarm palette, and I am taking that oranges brown shade, and I am just deepening up the look, the same place we put the Kat Von D foundation powder. With my concealer shade, I am going to cut the crease. As you can see, I didn't go lighter with this concealer because I wanted the lid color to be kind of the same color as my skin tone. However, I wish I would have darkened up the crease part before I did this, but I'm doing it now, as you can see. So I'm still going in with the Ring the Alarm palette, but I'm taking the shade Mugshot, and I'm deepening up that inner part because this is a Alexa Demie look. I know y'all know her iconic look with the smoky wing liner, okay? So now I'm going in with the Colourpop All I See Is Magic and the Maybelline Nudes of New York, and I'm taking those two lighter shades and mixing them together to get my perfect lid shade. So now I'm going to take this tape just so I can have more control when it comes to the wing part, or like the outer part of the eye, because I really want this to be sharp. And then going back in with the Ring the Alarm palette, I'm mixing the two shades together and starting the smokiness of the lid. I did go in with just a flat synthetic brush just to pack on the color and then smudge the color out. Going back into the All I See Is Magic palette, I'm taking this reddish brown shade and going in with my smudger brush and really smudging out that line. I'm really going back and forth between each palette just to get the depth that I want for this look. And then taking any black eyeliner and black eyeshadow, we're going to really start creating this wing and diffusing it up into the brown, but not going past the brown that we already laid down. Oh, and I also tried to darken it up on the crease part, so that's what I'm doing here. So for foundation, y'all already know what I'm using. I'm using the Kiss Cover Plus Care BB Cream in the shade Cappuccino and Rich Mahogany. And y'all have seen me do this like a million times, so I'm really not going to talk for this part, actually. So for concealer, I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. And I'm doing a new technique with my concealer. I'm trying to keep it more so above like the cheekbone area. Just focusing it mainly under the eyes. But like, as you can see, it's creating like a triangle towards like the upper lip. So that's kind of like the new technique that we're trying out here. And I'm just going to blend that out, but I'm going to leave my nose contour because I want my nose to be snatched, okay? And we're doing a little dance break. So for contour, I'm going in with the Flesh Beauty in the shade Brown Sugar. I kind of went a little ham with the contour, so don't be like me because it did take a while to blend, but we got it there, we got it. So to set the face, I'm going in with the Makeup Revolution powder in the shade Banana and the Laura Mercier Medium Deep powder. I know the Makeup Revolution powder looks different, but that's because I just put it in a different packaging. And honestly, y'all, when I get close to being done with my makeup, I do these little dance breaks, so don't judge. For bronzer, I'm going in with the same Kat Von D Lock It In foundation, and I'm just bronzing up the skin, just so we can start giving that warmthness to the skin. So for contour, I'm going in with the Black Radiance Contour Palette. Y'all have seen me use this probably in every video. Honestly, y'all, if it ain't broke, don't fix it, okay? So this is my favorite contour palette, period. And this is my favorite eyeliner, period. And I need a new one, but they're in the UK, so I don't know how I'm gonna get it. Sleek Makeup, if you're watching this, I definitely need a new eyeliner pencil. When I tell you this pencil is so bomb, it's the blackest of the black, and it's not stiff, but it dries down. So we're just doing the lower lash line. I am extending the liner into kind of giving it the cat eye effect in the inner corner, and then connecting the wing to the lower lash line. For blush, we're going in with the NYX Baked Highlighter Blush, and this is in the shade Passion, just to warm up the skin and start, you know, giving us that dewy look that we want. For highlighter, I'm going in with the Shop Miss A Baked Highlighter, and this is in Macaroon. And y'all have seen me highlight my face a million times as well, so I really don't need to go over this part. So for lashes, I'm trying out some new lashes. I'm going in with the Kiss Lash Couture collection, and this is in the style Midnight. These are like a really like cat eye wispy eye look, and you'll see in the next slide, and I absolutely love them. For lips, still going in with the same lip combination. This is the NYX Pencil and Espresso, and then I'm going in with the Maybelline Super Stay Matte liquid lipstick. I cannot talk. And this is in Driver, and then I'm just topping it off with a lip gloss because I honestly didn't know what else to do. And this is like my go-to lip. So we're gonna finish off the hair. So I'm doing the bang, and I'm going to set it into place with the Gots to Be Free spray, but I put the Gots to Be Free spray in my hands, so don't spray it directly on the hair, and then just kind of form the hair into the bang style. This did take me like 3 tries to do, but I got it down. So once you have the bang in the desired place that you want, just bobby pin close to the ear, and then if you have long hair like me, bobby pin the tail close to the base of the ponytail, and then get a elastic rubber band and just tie it up in the ponytail. So to kind of get away the flyaways, I sprayed some Gots to Be on the end tail of the comb, and I'm just molding this into the desired look that I want. Taking that loose piece of hair that we left out, we're just going to start wrapping this around the base of the hair so we can hide all that mess going on, and so it can just look, you know, real classy and sleek. And we're going to secure this with a bobby pin and an elastic rubber band, just so we can make sure it is secure. And you won't be able to see the elastic because, as you can see, I'm putting it real close to the base, because that's literally where the end of the hair ends when you wrap it around. So for my edges, I was thinking about doing baby hairs, and then I realized that I couldn't. So we're just putting some Shine and Jam and just really just brushing this back just to give it a more sleek look. Alright y'all, so that is it for this video. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. If you're new to my channel, join the B.O.M B Squad because we are the realest squad on the internet. Also, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment box below. But I look forward to seeing y'all in my next tutorial. Bye guys!